Hello, and welcome to SAF Metal Fabrications video, titled, Rain-Screen Panel System. The purpose of our video is to give you an overview of the system's components and their installation. This video was prepared using a computer-generated animation model of a building's exterior wall and SAF's Rain-Screen Panel System. In our model, we are showing typical building components that include a concrete slab, light gauge steel framing, insulation, dense glass sheathing board, metal sill flashing, and a water vapor barrier, similar to DuPont's Tyvek. All of these products are outside SAF's scope of work. They are merely shown for presentation and how SAF's Rain-Screen system interacts with other building components. Now, let's take a look at the basic components of SAF's Rain-Screen panel system. Here, we have a cutaway section of a typical composite panel. Note the extrusions framing the panel's interior edges. These panel extrusions are factory installed with flush fasteners. These panel extrusions clip onto a wall-mounted clip extrusion. The design of the clips allow for expansion and contraction. Panel joints are infilled with small, flat reveal strips that fit into the frame extrusions. A modified version of the wall-mounted extrusion clip is used at all sill, jam, and head conditions. Next, we will look at the installation process, installing SAF's Rain-Screen panel system. Starting at the building slab level and left side, we install our modified clip extrusions. The modified clip extrusion is first applied to the sill, then to the building wall's left side. The modified clip extrusions are fastened with Tech screws at 16-inch centers. Our first composite panel is placed onto the sill clip extrusion. Slide this panel left, mating its side frame extrusion with the vertical clip extrusion. Next, insert a vertical clip extrusion. Mate this extrusion with the panel's right frame extrusion, but its lower end to the horizontal sill extrusion and fasten with Tech screws. Insert a reveal strip into the pocket of the panel's frame extrusion. Continue installing adjacent panels in the same sequence as the first. The quantity of panels you install depends on the architectural pattern and job conditions. Before installing the next row of panels, a horizontal clip extrusion is placed onto the wall and mated with the upper frame extrusions of the first row of panels. All clip extrusions are fastened with Tech screws at 16-inch centers. Follow the clip extrusion with a reveal strip. Insert into the frame extrusion pockets of the first row of panels. Continue installing the second row of panels in the same sequence of the first row. Insert a clip extrusion and fasten. Follow the clip extrusion with a reveal strip. Install the next composite panel. Insert a horizontal clip extrusion, fasten, and follow with a reveal strip. Then, continue with the third row of composite panels. This concludes our Rain-Screen video. Thank you for watching.